Well, welcome back, guys. I'm doing a little update for Wednesday. We're going to get some cold weather tonight, apparently. 0 degrees Celsius is going to be overnight low. Now, I'm not worried about the lettuce, but definitely the peppers and some of these other plants are coming in. You can see my seedlings. Off to a late start. Watermelon's good. Everything's good there. Cantaloupe. Uh, Flowers and everything are doing well. It's going to take you over here to the next bed, and you can see the melons now. They're all coming in tonight because 0 degrees is not watermelon weather, and these guys did okay overnight. I've gotten them this far. This is all my insurance watermelon, guys, and cantaloupe, because down there I've been fiddling there to try and save the plants. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but we'll talk more about that after. I got some more things to show you. Okay, so my wife and children were working on this bed last night, and they've come a long ways. Prepped it all up. Looks good. We're going to be delayed in planting. This week is just going to be brutal. We can talk more about this Polar Vortex as I walk around, guys. You can see I expanded the garden here a little bit. Well, not me, my boys, and my wife. This little eyeball garden that we have is for herbs, mostly calendula and things like that. So that's what we use this for. And down over there, I've been working on the cantaloupe bed, and it's going to be delayed. I'm not going to bother planting them out to seed because I've already got plants started, and because of the weird, strange spring that we're having yet again, I have to wait. Alright, so I've been digging here, preparing the melon bed. Now, I was going to do it a little differently because I found last year that all the runners were running that way, and that's because of the cedars that we have here blocking the sun, early morning sun, so they want to go that way to that part of the sky where the sun is. So I'm going to start down here this year and work up there, maybe about 22 feet. I'm going to landscape fabric, and I'm going to make it a nice little bed there. It's going to look great, a lot better than it does now. I pulled out some humongous boulders out of these damn holes, and I had help from my son to pull them up and bring them back over to the wife's garden, but then I had to pull them back again and use them for the watermelon garden. I'm going to show you what's going on here. There's our spinach garden, still getting spinach from it. But over here, I've tarped the watermelon garden, and I put cinder blocks, and we're going to expect a little wind, and apparently we're going to get snow, and so forth and so on. And so what I've done here is basically just prepped it up. I put 3mm landscape fabric, and they're in these cups, and it's seed. And I looked in Google today and a few other searches, and I tried to find out whether ungerminated seed could withstand a little bit of cool weather, and I wasn't able to find information on it. So guess what? We are the experiment, guys, and we're going to find out whether or not you can do it. Now I'm going to come down here later, and I've got some more wood, as you can see, and I'm going to put this down here because we are going to get some winds that are up to around 42 kilometers an hour gusts, which is pretty significant and could lift a tarp like this. So we're going to see what happens here. It's going to snow on here, and I'll update you on that one, and it's going to be funny. And if it makes it, wow, we've discovered a new technique. All right, 1 minute. So in the bed, we have a bunch of garlics, guys, that we planted last August, and they're doing pretty darn good. Should be full bulbs, should be all set there. Got some doing better than others, but the cold weather won't hurt them at all. It'll just slow things down, that's all. So anyway, I'm just going to tie this up. All right, so all these guys, all these cups, and mostly melons in there and tobacco, are all coming in tonight. Melons in there, tobacco in there, around there, and some more melons. More melons. This is my insurance, so I can't afford to lose this because there's no guarantees that that's going to make it. But we have backup. Anyway, it's been Rob, and I hope that you guys are having a good day and respecting social distancing and good hand washing. Anyway, take care, everybody, and hopefully we're out of this pandemic restrictions soon. Gracias, amigos.